Hola gente, what is up my people? Welcome. We're going to be doing the battle of the lash curlers. On the left side, the traditional SEPHORA curler. On the right side, this heated eyelash curler. I'm going to curl, of course, both sides. I'm going to do some checkings. We're going to see if the curl lasts longer on the side where we applied heat. See if we actually need this. If it's actually worth it to have one that is battery operated that you can potentially burn yourself with. I don't know. I guess we will figure this out together. So let's go ahead and open this. Alright, so this one is called Gently. Needs 2 AAA batteries. Wooden right here. And there's a green light. I don't know if you guys can see. That means that it is on. These silicone pads, they're red when they're cold and they're clear when they're ready to use. I wish it was the opposite way because to me, red indicates heat. It doesn't matter as long as it works. I'm just gonna touch it. So just like the traditional lash curler, it's like a semicircle. So what I'm gonna try to do, of course, is to insert every single one of my lashes inside this hole right here. And then with this one, we're gonna pull upwards and hold for 5 seconds. Let's do it. Okay, there we have it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. My lashes are very blonde for some reason. So we're gonna, of course, apply mascara afterwards on both sides so that we can compare. But the way I use even my traditional eyelash curler is I do actually 2 squeezies. So one is closer to the root and the other one is a little bit higher. I think it's fair that I do that little trick with both of these. So let's do that so we can move on to the other eye. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, apply a little bit of mascara so that you guys can see. Wow, they're so curved. They're super arched. So do you guys see that? I mean, obviously it's going to be a huge dramatic difference with this side because it hasn't been curled at all and has no mascara, but still, I mean, it literally just opened up my eyes. Let's just go ahead and curl this side. Okay, so I'm gonna turn this off. I think it's important. I'm going to do the same kind of 2-step curling trick. So first, closer to the root area, 5 seconds, and now over almost at the ends, another 5 seconds. All right, this one's bent really nicely too. Let's see with mascara. With the traditional eyelash curler. By the way, same mascara. This is Lash Paradise Waterproof by L'Oreal. 1000% honest with you guys. Right this second, I don't see a big difference. Maybe it's a little bit more defined on the ends of this side, but honestly, I don't think anyone would stop me and say, hey, you've used 2 different eyelash curlers to curl your lashes. For sure, there's not such a huge difference. So here's the plan. I'm gonna go with the False Lash Telescopic Mascara by L'Oreal on the bottom lashes. So of course we haven't curled those. Go about the rest of my day and maybe checking with you guys in about 4 hours. I do like this side a little bit more. However, I'm still not sure if the difference is worth buying yet another tool. We'll see how that wear test goes. If anything that happens throughout those 4 hours, it changes my mind in any way. You know, lashes are hair after all. If heat tools such as blow dryers or flat irons help us shape our hair, why wouldn't it work with our lashes? So it would make sense. Please do not use your eyelash curler, no matter if it's heated or not, once you have applied mascara, because once you have mascara and your lashes are hardened, the lashes lose their flexibility and so they're more prone to breakage. When you go in with a curler, let's just say that a couple may fall out. So I just wanted to throw that out there because it may not happen to every single person, but I promise I've seen that happen and I thought it was worth mentioning that. If you don't break your lashes, you're gonna ruin your mascara. Just just do it in that order. And even if you do it right away after applying mascara, it's a little bit like a glue effect, a little bit sticky, and so some people have pulled out a couple of lashes too. So let's just take care of our lashes. So I'm gonna go now and I'll be back in 4 hours with an update. And we're back. Clearly I have touched up my makeup after a very long day because it is almost 8 p.m. right now. I've been filming and editing and I haven't really stopped to look at the lashes in detail. So let's do that now together. I'm gonna zoom you in so that you can see more detail. All right, so there we have the side in which I use the heated curler. And this is the side I used the Sephora traditional curler. Let's look at both sides, side by side. So what do you guys think? If I had a third eye, I would show you my lashes just with 2 coats of this mascara and no curling whatsoever. I guess what I'm trying to say is that the biggest difference is between using an eyelash curler and not using an eyelash curler. At least my lashes, they grow quite flat and they're blonde. So those two things combined make them virtually invisible, as you saw. In that sense, of course, both of these are great tools. I do feel that the heated side has a more perfect C. Side also looks like the lashes are kind of all over the place, slightly more spidery. Whereas on this side, everything looks a little bit more perfect and everything seems more organized. Of course, I cannot stress this enough. We're talking about very subtle, small differences here, but I think we have a winner with this one. I don't know why I really don't like having that many gadgets that are battery operated that you need to charge. I guess I'm a little bit lazy. If it doesn't require me to change the batteries very often, then you know, it may be actually a great tool. But of course, now is your turn. Please do let me know in the comment section below if you agree or maybe not. Why not? This is a two-way street here. That is it for today, guys. I hope this video gave you enough information to make the right decision, and hopefully I will see you on my next one. Ciao. Do you wanna follow? Click here.